All right, folks, fresh out of the Amazon package as promised. It's Thursday. I've got the OontZ Angle 3 Bluetooth wireless speaker. We're going to be doing an unbox and a review right after we get to the intro. Let's get to it. All right, folks, here we go with the unboxing. This is the OontZ Angle 3. Doesn't say a whole lot on the box other than Cambridge Soundworks, and on the, I guess the back, the front, whatever you want to call it, the ultra portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. On the bottom we've got some trademark and copyright info, and just something that says 1 amp for charging and at 5 volts, although you can charge it up to 2.4, I believe, amps. So let's get to it. Let's open her up. This is always the fun part. And right here we've got a book that's very, very thorough, it appears. Shows us what all the, where we plug in our charging cable, and what all the lights do, and the battery features, and what all the connections are. So we're going to set that off to the side, and let's get right to this speaker. Let's just pull it out of here and see if we can get her unwrapped. Confession here, I've already unwrapped this at work today, so I got all the tape and stuff off of it. And under here is the passive base radiator. On the back here we've got our power button, our little flap, and you should be able to see those in the light, the two radiators for the mids and treble. And on the right side, or the top, we've got our Bluetooth and microphone button if you want to answer a call. And below that we have multifunction buttons, plus and minus, to lower and raise volume with a short press, and a play pause button if you wish to use that. So that pretty much takes care of our unboxing portion. We're gonna, well, not totally. Inside, I keep forgetting, there's always more stuff inside. So we're gonna get this cardboard out of here, see if we can. It should come right out. I think it's been out before. And right up under here, we've got some more goodies. We've got a 1/8 inch cable if you want to plug a speaker jack, which you can do from underneath the flap here. We'll get to that in just a moment. And our charging cable, which is a USB or a micro USB to USB port. I'll be able to plug this into my recently acquired adapter or multifunction USB hub, and charge it off the desktop here. And of course we'll be testing this using the desktop. So we're going to get rid of that box and get back to the OontZ here. And we'll go over a few more things. Here's the flap that I spoke of. This is a IPX5 splash proof and somewhat semi-waterproof, rainproof design. Right down in here you've got your 1/8 inch jack if you want to plug it in. There's your micro SD charging input, And back here's the power button to turn these puppies on. So let's go ahead and turn them on. And there it goes, and it's attempting to pair. So we're going to go over to my super duper wondrous and amazing desktop and go to all settings, devices. This Windows 10. You're not going to see this, it's happening in the background. We're going to add a Bluetooth device. And it says select device from below to connect. We'll see how long this takes. Shouldn't take too long, as far as I know. It's taking longer than expected. What I'm going to do here is turn it back off and then turn it on again. There we go. Now, let's see what we get. Remember, we're dealing with a cantankerous Windows 10 setup here. So, what we're going to do is turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on. Always helps. We'll see if this puppy will pair up. Paired right up to my tablet at work, paired right up to my phone. There it is. Okay. So we're connecting. And we should have sound coming out. So we're just going to do a quick test here. We're going to go up to Winamp. I know, it's an ancient program, but what the heck. Wow. I'm going to turn that off. So let's try it with some other things that are legal and legit. Yeah. And what do we got here? Well, we can go to YouTube, maybe. Well, we can't right now. We're going to get back to the sound testing in just a moment. For now, we're going to pause while I make some adjustments. All right, we're back, and now we're going to listen to some non-copyrighted music off of YouTube here and check it out. So let's check that right now.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So as you can hear, it's really crisp, really clear, excellent bass. This thing works exceedingly well. Sorry about the previous segment that I had to kind of chop up so we didn't get yelled at too much for playing a copyrighted song. Sometimes I get lost in the music, and this thing will do it, which means, and this is the great thing, I'll be unplugging my old plug-in speakers from my desktop because I can now use the OontZ and no longer have to bother with powered speakers from the Stone Ages, and I can unplug the little adapter on them and save some electricity. So my initial impression, the manual, let's go over the manual a little. I mean, it's exceedingly thorough, and it just tells you everything you need to know This is not one of those fly-by-night companies. They tell you everything and anything you would want to know about your OontZ Angle 3. And what all the buttons do, how everything works. And you can even reject a call, or you can answer an incoming call and end a call. It's very cool. You can use it without having to pick up your phone. Let's say your phone's 20 feet away, but you're sitting in front of the speaker enjoying the tunes. At this point, I am highly recommending this product. I'm going to do further testing. When I got it, it was about halfway charged up. I charged it using my old Blue Studio charging cable that I keep in with the tablet right here, which is my good background thing because it doesn't reflect so much. And it took about an hour and a quarter to fully charge. On the Amazon site, they claim up to 14 hours of playback. Inside the owner's manual here, they claim 12 hours of playback. Either way, that's more than enough. And this thing will be just dandy and great. And you could fit this probably in your backpack or wherever. Take it with you, take it to the beach, set it anywhere you want, and have some really good sound. That's all I can tell you. I actually use this at work on a big wooden table where I set my laptop up, or my tablet with a Bluetooth keyboard that I use as a laptop, and I could feel the table vibrating from the bass. This case on here is kind of limiting the bass response. Trust me, these are loud. They're only 10 watts, but they're louder than hell, folks. This is a great product, and I will link the Amazon link to them in the description below, as usual. And make sure you leave us some feedback. If there's something you want me to do in the follow-up, and there will be a follow-up, probably tomorrow night or Saturday after I've had a chance to, I'm going to use these all night tonight while I watch videos on YouTube. And are they worth your money? Right now, my opinion, absolutely. Worth every penny. Excellent product, well built. They're really good, or it's really good. So on that note, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Make sure to look in the below, and you'll see the subscribe and the bell, and make sure you click the bell after you subscribe so you get notifications, and give us a great big thumbs up. And we'll catch you in the next one. Maybe another one tonight. I don't know. We'll see. Have a great evening. Good night, folks.